What is up, Granime people? This is
Grandma.
And we are watching Chainsaw Man.
Sorry, I blanked. I don't know why.
Deer in Head, you know what we're watching. That's
Yeah,
what's crazy. Deer in Headlight. Anyway, we're watching Chainsaw Man episode 11. Last episode, we met in full Kishibe, the mentor, voiced by Kenjiro Suda, the GOAT. The GOAT. And, yeah, he's about action. That's what we know.
Yeah. Yeah, he does not play.
At all. No games. Aside from that, we also got to observe Aki on his way to make a new contract.
Poor Aki.
Poor Aki. F's in the chat for Aki. Make a contract with the Future Devil. What that is, what that means, how this is going to work, we have no clue. Those are the basis of the last episode. It was all pretty straightforward. So let's get into episode 11. Uncuts and ED reactions will be on Patreon. So go subscribe there if that's what you want to see. Soon we'll have a couple more shows coming up, backlogs of shows, so you can get early reactions and all of that, Discord, etc. Without further ado, Chainsaw Man, episode 11 in 3, 2, 1.
This is so creepy. I feel so bad for him.
You don't care though. This is exactly where he wants to be right now.
This is what he wants to be doing.
Mirai Psycho. Mirai Psycho. Mirai Psycho.
It's like a Twilight Princess monster.
Yeah, really. Oh, yuck. He has to stick his head in his gut. Disgusting. He's humming.
He's having a party. I just want to make sure the camera shot is right. Yeah, that's fine.
Wow.
Interesting. He is partying. He said, your death is going to be tight.
Whoa.
That's probably exactly what the Future Devil wanted to hear, too. He's like, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, here we
are again.
back to our...
Oh.
I got a cut on him. Back to our daily death routine. Yay.
We did it.
She threw the peace signs up. Oh, he said we're just going.
Whoa.
We're just getting straight to it. Wow.
Wow.
Ha. He said,
Whatever.
yeah, you're a fucking idiot.
Yeah.
She's very polite to him.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Not entirely cold-hearted.
Yeah, it's may lead to your downfall. No way to avoid the question.
He's the dude. That's the guy.
Woohoo! What is going on here?
I don't know. But she ain't getting one over on him. He's not having any of that. He's like, listen. They might be dumb. Me? I'm not dumb.
Oh, that's the chick that was there.
Yep. It's the snake girl.
Yeah.
It's the machete guy.
それよりここに残るなら噛まれないように用心しな。
噛まれないように何のことですか。ここの下には
Interesting audio.
Yeah.
借金を返せないクズどもで作ったゾンビ軍団だ。
それで4課を終わらせる。
Yeah, okay.
Man, she is one cold bitch.
She's right.
一つ質問させてください。本気で殺せるって思ってます？今回、得意顔20人ほど殺したやつに君は負けてるのに、世界中の人間をうん百万人殺したやつに勝てるとでも普通に考えれば無理ってわかりますもん。正直、アキ君見てるとムカつくんですわ。弱いくせに漫画の主人公みたいな目標を掲げて、痛くてすごいムカつわ。ほら、だとれよ。
They love the meta manga references.
俺の前でごちゃごちゃ言わないでくださいよ。あんたは黙って見てればいい。今自分が自分を見えなくなってるのは分かってます。でも、じゃなきゃやっていけないのも分かってるんです。
Nice movement.
That line was really nice too. That's just a focused man.
ありがとうございました。アキ君、君のことムカつくけど応援しとくわ。最後にこの言葉を送る。得意科にはまともなやつはいないから気をつけな。
Like he doesn't know that already?
I mean, it probably made him feel better as a parting gift. I think he just more or less was telling him, "You're not crazy," you know.
ご協力ありがとうございます。
聞いた話によると、この沢渡って女
Yeah, what the hell?
この女の仲介にうちの若いやつが騙されて銃の悪魔と契約しちゃったらしい。
Yeah, those. Of course, we figured that out.
銃の悪魔に2万円を払う代わりに契約者は銃と弾がもらえるんだとよ。悪魔の世界の金が必要なんかね。
組にいる10の悪魔と契約している方の名前をすべてここに書いてもらいます。
いいよ。
あなたの組の名前だけでなく他の組の方のもお願いします。
お嬢ちゃん、あんたさ、なんも分かってねえな。そんなこと知ってても告げ口バレたら組同士で戦争が起こっちゃうよ。
国民の安全のためです。ご協力お願いします。
So it's like a syndicate or a mafia family, like a yakuza.
って言葉知ってるかい？中国とかソ連のマフィアの方がよっぽどひどいことしちゃうよ。それを俺たちが防いでるんだ。デビルハンターが悪魔から人間を守っているように、俺たちヤクザも外国人から日本人を守ってるんだよ。デビルハンターは学のないバカが多いっつうからわからないのも当然。明日がねじゃ仲間は売れんよ。
これはお金じゃありません。ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、恋人、奥さんの目です。
Oh!
目
Eat! Well, that's kind of disgusting.
安心してください。公安には目を元通りにできる人がいます。
Oh, that's crazy. Wrong one.
Yeah.
Right, like that?
あなたの言う必要悪というのは
Unnecessary evil.
悪事を行う自分を正当化する言い訳です。必要な悪というのは常に国家が首輪をつけて支配しているものです。地下と1階入り口
Okay, okay, Makima.
警察が包囲。
I see.
ビル中の制圧はすべて得意四課
She is pulling lots of strings.
She's different.
できるだけ公安を殺して電磁の
She's badass.
電磁は俺が殺す。
あまり熱くなるなよ。
Yeah, why are they so hot to get him?
No clue. Well, if it's related to Yakuza, then that guy, I think that was his grandpa, his grandfather, was
Okay.
ぶっ殺してやるぜ。
who Denji mopped in the first episode. I don't know what this Sawatari's, whatever her name is, relationship is to this situation, but I know what his is, the machete, well, rather the katana devil.
Mm-hmm.
He said no plan, just hands. What?
That's amazing. Is it that?
Oh, is that surveillance
animation.
camera? Yeah.
Yeah.
神奈川県警を行きました
Yeah.
警部補の椎名です大麻ニカフルノです
今回警察と大麻ニカは一回と力で入り口を封鎖その上でお前たちが注意する
Talk to him, Kishibe, what they need to be careful about.
得意4課はほとんどの隊員が人外で構成されている4課の誰かが街に逃げたらテロリストが暴れるよりも被害が大きくなる
Really?
今回お前たちにはテロリストではなく4課と交戦になった場合に備えて隊員の特徴を説明しておく
Hello. What's up, fish boy? Hey, shark boy? What's going on here? It is.
Ooh.
That's tight. Who's he? Oh. Straight hands. Now the mask is coming off eventually. I gotta see what that looks like.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Holy shit. Oh.
Okay, that's kind of creepy. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh. Damn. Did it to him. Soccer ball? Dodgeball? What we doing?
Oh man.
The angel devil.
Oh. That's who that is.
What do you mean that's who that is?
Remember I said I wanted to see who the angel was sitting
Oh,
on
yeah.
the staircase?
Yeah. What's up, Aki?
目残しだったら大丈夫なんだろ
Ooh. Interesting.
That's fire. Slapped. Did he get backhanded? He said.
お前らここは魔人たちに任せてサムライソードとヘビ女を探す
Nah, but you need to take the angel devil with you. I need to see what that is.
Yeah.
I know the angel devil is overpowered. It's interesting to me he's using the sword as a sword now. He's not... So I think it only shortens his lifespan or whatever when he uses the sword for the curse application.
Whoa.
Oh, he's also trying not to use it as much.
You badass.
Yeah. Ran up on a dude with a gun,
Oh,
just punched
hell.
him in his shit.
Oh?
Well, that looks like what Makima did, so it has to be. It exactly is. She got all the names.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Come on, Makima. Yep. Who are you sacrificing? Did she sacrifice everybody in the house? No way, they're all dead. They might be. Makima don't care. I'm willing to bet she straight up nuked all those mafia people in that room.
Oh, I would not be surprised. She's got a job. She does it.
Yeah. Spit it out. What's she spitting out? The ghost devil? Yeah.
Uh-oh.
So wait, anything the snake consumes, she can command? Or did she take the ghost devil hostage and make a contract with it while it was trapped in the snake? I don't know. I'm sure the mechanics will get explained to me later.
僕の力を使えばね、君の右目は少し先の未来が。
Aha.
Hello,
Okay.
sweet Nick. Man's got observation hockey. The animation is... The slipping in it? Wow.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
見えるだけだけどね。
But that's all, yeah. That's so useful, though. Infinite hands. Straight to the ribcage. Snatched up. Choked. Come here. Where's your air? You ain't breathing nothing. Look at me. Look me in my eyes. Look me in my eyes when I'm killing you. Hold this. Veins. Imminent death. Aki, you can't go like this. You cannot get hemmed up. Is she gonna die right now?
Ah! You're killing me. Oh, God. Interesting.
Okay, yeah, whatever. Whatever that ED was.
Whew.
Alright, Mappa. Oh, you even put Mappa at the end so we knew it was you? I see. I see what's going on here.
Yeah.
You know, after that, they deserve to kiss their own ass a little bit, so fine. The ED was great. Reaction to the ED is on Patreon in the uncut. Now, episode 11.
Oh, this one. I thought my head was blown away by, you know, Makima getting shot and apparently killed on the train, and then
Not.
yeah, and this just keeps getting wilder and wilder.
Yeah, I think what's interesting about it is that they're expanding it in such a rapid fashion where it's kind of going off the rails, but actually a lot of information is filling in between the gaps that we previously had as the new gaps open up. It's like a strategy of like layering. I feel like it's like we're introducing a new layer, and then after we introduce the second new layer, we fill in the last new layer that you had a lot of questions on.
Oh,
Yeah.
there. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like just compound, which I really appreciate that. It's a writing style I'm pretty fond of, so I hope that's the case. They do it in Tower of God, Hunter x Hunter, kind of One Piece to a degree as well, and I like it a lot. Animation was stellar again.
Yeah.
Aki is I think far and away my favorite character so far at this point. That's my guy.
Yeah.
And then I don't know, Kishibe is just a different level of badass. He said no plan. We just go in. He's like, hopefully they catch hands.
Yeah, we got this.
At Makima's colors are starting to show a little bit, and I don't know exactly what to make of them. But it's devious.
Either. Yeah, the fact that she's running that special division is...
There's some
makes me
darkness
wonder.
back there.
Yeah.
There's some darkness back there in their character. I thought it was interesting, right? Her being able to repurpose. We don't know how. All we know is that she was able to now command the Ghost Devil. Mm-hmm. I don't know what that mechanism is. It could be several things, right? It could be like, oh, if you like terminate the user of a contract with the devil, you inherit the contract, right? That could be one way.
Yeah.
It could be something to do specifically with the snake devil, like as the snake devil consumes, it also retains like control or manipulation. It could be once the snake devil did consume the ghost devil, she negotiated a contract with the ghost devil to be like, listen, I'll allow you to live so long as you do my bidding. Or it could be she negotiated a normal devil contract while the ghost devil was inside of the snake devil. Like, because I assume if other things can exist in there, she can be like, snake, let me enter, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. It could be something else too. I'm just trying to lay it out the best I can.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's
There's
hard
something
to tell.
there. There's something there, you know?
It's hard to tell what could actually be, pulling things one way or another, because
Right.
we don't know all of the possibilities.
Yeah, we don't have any type of rule system yet,
Yeah.
or any type of knowledge on how these contracts work.
Wow.
I don't think Aki gave anything to the future devil. Like, what did he give him? He said he'll live in his right eye. Mm-hmm. Did he give him something while I was fiddling with the settings? Or did he just basically say, I'll live in your right eye, I'll let you use my power. Your death is going to be dope.
Yeah.
That's all I got.
Yeah.
So
that's all I can recall.
The new people we've been introduced to, we have with Violence Fiend with the mask, I don't even know what to call that. It's like a plague mask or like a doomsayer mask.
It is like a plague mask.
We've got the Shark Devil. Well,
Yeah,
rather
he's
the
kind of interesting.
person with the shark, he has a contract with the Shark Devil. He can transform into it, or is he a fiend? He's a fiend, Shark Fiend. And then of course we have the Angel Devil. By far the most interesting to me. I need to see what that looks like.
Yeah.
I need to see what that's about. Made a hell of an entrance too. Definitely. Captivated on the screen time. Is there anything else you want to point out? Anything on your mind?
No, I'm.
What are you thinking about?
I think just my mind is blown again.
I'm not gonna lie.
I've read books that are kind of like this.
Yeah.
You know, with the fiends and the demons and the whatever. But
it's different to see it get fleshed out, right?
Yeah, especially since it gets fleshed out so quickly.
Yeah, and they're doing it like very proficiently. Like they're doing it very well. Mm-hmm. So it's like, that's why I told you when we first started this. You remember one of the things I said? I was like, listen, there's gonna be some shows. You have a lot of questions.
Yeah.
Don't get lost in your questions.
Yep.
They'll flesh it out. Sometimes it won't be when you want it to, but I promise you, in the good stuff, the answers will be there. Mm-hmm. And that's, it's just like an author trust. You just kind of have to trust the authors, and then if you're wrong and they don't flesh it out, then you can hate on them on the back end. You just be like, what the fuck was that?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm getting into the Chainsaw Man stuff. It's giving me that really like, feels like what we call like opening the mystery box, which is the same thing. Full Metal, Attack on Titan, Hunter x Hunter, Tower of God. They're all like mystery box oriented, and I'm really digging that element. Yeah.
So those of you who turned us on to Chainsaw Man,
y'all can all thank my editor, because we were not gonna watch Chainsaw Man, and he just started bothering me about it, and then I bartered with him, and I told him he has to read the Hunter x Hunter manga in exchange. So, if there's any Hunter x Hunter heads in the chat, before we end up watching Hunter x Hunter, you guys can actually go follow my editor on Twitter. Editor, put the link here. Yeah, let them follow you. And once you do follow him, you can DM him or mention him at any time and harass him to read more Hunter x Hunter. And he might tell you he doesn't want that to happen, but I am here on Granime telling you I want that to happen. That is...
He's not going to edit this out, is he?
If he does, he won't get paid.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.
And I'm really digging that element.
Yeah. So those of you who turned us on to Chainsaw Man.
But yeah, no, this is great. This ED was fascinating as well. It might be my favorite, or one of my favorites song-wise. How about this? If maybe we do an extra piece of content on Patreon, you guys let us know, where we react to all of the EDs in sequence and then rank them.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Because they've had some very interesting
ending. Yeah.
Outros.
So we can do that if you guys would like. Let me know how that sounds as an idea. And man, their cliffhangers are great as well.
I hate it when they leave me hanging on the edge of the cliff.
Oh.
Damn it!
Oh, wait till you watch, like, the master cliffhanger show is like Haikyuu.
Yeah.
Oh, they'll do it like 10 episodes in a row. They're such sons of bitches about it. But the cliffhangers are also all fire, so it's just like, shout out Haikyuu.
Yeah, they're doing their job, obviously.
Yeah. Let me know if you guys have any, questions, concerns, comments, anything you want to illuminate us on. That's not a spoiler. No spoilers. I'll fight you. Anything you want to ask Grandma about, like I said, we're trying to get into the habit of putting more comments at the front of the videos and stuff like that. Anything you want to ask Grandma, anything you want to point out, anything you want to talk about, let us know. and if whatever you liked about the episode, etc. With that said, person, people.
Oh, baby. That was a damn good episode. Damn good. Man, I'm kind of tempted to buy the manga and just read ahead. But I can't do that because they'll kick my butt.
We got her.
Oh, all right. Stay with us. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a hoot. See you soon.